A survey is a collection of questions, texts, and images designed to pose multiple questions to participants and employees. Unlike a voting, this survey can be edited all at once. This means that participants can answer all their questions at once without being guided from one question to another by a moderator. To create a survey, click on Create and insert a name. We'll call it Feedback General Annual Meeting. By clicking on Create, the survey is set up. On the left, I have the option to edit the questions and fields of the actual questionnaire. I can change settings and customize the presentation, including logos and texts. I can offer a download with additional information, and I can also look at the preview of the survey. Let's start by creating our survey. Using questions and fields, I can add questions, headlines, texts, and personal input fields. We'll begin with a headline by clicking on Add Headline. The section expands and I enter the desired headline. Saving it will create the headline, which appears as the first entry in the area below. Next, I click on Add Survey Question to add my first question. Here again, the entire question area expands. I enter my question: how much did you like the meeting in general? I have various options for the question type. I select single choice and provide participants with answer choices. Here it's excellent, good, moderate, and poor. Clicking Save Question creates the question, which now appears below my headline as the first question. Now let's do a second question. Click Add Survey Question and enter the title. Should the event take place online or in person next time? This time I choose multiple choice as the question type. I want the participants to have two answer choices. By clicking the plus button, I provide an additional answer choice. Since I've set the maximum answers to unlimited, a participant can select both options. Click Save and my next question is created. Moving on to the third question. I want to know how well the attendees understood my speakers, so I choose numeric values, multiple sliders, as the question type. Participants are asked to rate how well they understood each speaker on a scale from 1 to 8. I enter the speaker names and my third question is now created. Let's add our fourth and final question. What can we improve next time? This time we won't use multiple choice. Instead, we'll choose the free text question type, allowing participants to enter their suggestions, which we can evaluate later. Save the question and the fourth question is created. In addition to questions and headlines, you can also include individual input fields for personal information. For example, you can ask for the participant's name. You can decide whether it should be a mandatory field or not. By clicking Save, we've added an additional field after our questions. You can adjust the order through drag and drop. Once you've finished, you can make some final settings. You can customize the layout, decide whether to display a header or a logo, and specify which texts should be shown. Finally, let's preview our survey. We ensure everything looks good and you're ready to go. Enjoy experimenting!